I'm Evan Thompson, meteorologist and Principal Director of the Meteorological Services Branch of the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. Today is Thursday, July 4. We have done it. At least we have seen the worst of Hurricane Beryl, having moved so close to the coastline of Jamaica and made its way right across over the waters of the off the south coast of the island, continuing to move toward the west-northwest and now away from Jamaica. The system has already passed the Cayman Islands and is now heading toward the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico. And so we're happy that we are now past the worst of it. We have been bombarded by strong winds, by heavy rainfall, and also by those battering waves from the storm surges. And right now we're picking up the pieces, I believe mopping up, because we did have some lingering rainfall across the island during the course of last night. That was the night of July 3, and we are now starting to see things drying out quite a bit. Thank you for all that you all have done and how we have really been showing our strength and resilience as we have moved past this chapter in our lives.
When you hear that, my viewers, Hurricane Beryl take 2 life boy, mash up a bag of house, and now she gone both her ways. So no, welcome to my channel and welcome to another Beryl in review. So here what I want to do for me. Gonna drop some like on the video, subscribe to my channel if you not subscribe yet. So my people, we have some video for showing of the destruction where Hurricane Beryl caused boy, and see it now. She gone both her ways, and I go show you the woman from Hanover where drop out. So my people, before we jump in at the reasoning, I'm gonna pre that video for me there. When you see that, my viewers, my people, I wear that woman there do. Yeah, tell me say, I sit down, mama, sit down pan her house, tap a try hold down her zinc, cause she no want Beryl thief her zinc and gone with her zinc from off her roof. And that mama do, risk her life out in the storm, say she a see of zinc. My viewers, it no hurt it, and the people them more time for listening, and she fi thank God say nothing never happen to her, me I tell you, my viewers, cause look at my people. You know see where I go on the screen. You know hear all our data. Like our data shout and I wonder coulda what this. People out there say the woman no want her valuables them blow away. But I saw it go. Where she prefer. Our life, our couple zinc. At the end of the day, that can buy back, But me no see no life I sell a shop boy. So as when I say my people, that way I see right now, it no make no sense. And as when I say, thank God, say she still living and Beryl never scoop up she and gone with her too. So my viewers, walk with me now. See that woman you wanna see on the screen right now. And that woman you lose her life at Hanover, after she step out her house and a tree limb drop on her, me I tell you my people. When you hear that, and since Beryl the boy, my viewers, a 2 deaths so far, we no hear about nothing yet, When you hear that, my people, say as what me say, see the lady will lose her life, Kayon Sterling, at Hanover. Some people, a lot of people out there never ever take this thing as serious. Them they take it as a joke. Me know wanna see the videos them all over the media. Who na keep party a road, bike stunt a road and all type of thing. Till see it, as when me I say, Hurricane Beryl take up herself and gone, So right now we have to go clean up the country, Cause we see say a bag of house drop down, bag of people flood out, bag of roof gone. So the government have to go step up right now and help the residents them of Jamaica. Cause we always want the people them for go no vote. See it now. And no chance this running now and help the people them, So as when I say my viewers, Hurricane Beryl, the dead boy, take 2 life boy, and now she lift up and take care herself and gone. So my viewers, stay safe out there, Until next time, when you hear that,